Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Tifgalop K8 scooter. This thing is legendary. So fun to ride. It comes in this box all wrapped up. Make sure you got some bolt cutters to cut the zip ties. You can put a seat on this thing too. It comes with a seat if you want to. I just prefer to ride it without it. You basically just have to put on a couple like fenders and things like that, and then make sure everything's all tightened up. This thing looks sick. It's got plenty of light up front so you can drive at night, and it's highly visible. It just looks amazing. It's super fast. It's a really fun ride. We got this burly kickstand. We got dual motors, front and rear. It features 6 to 8 hour fast charging and climb up to a 45-degree angle. This thing has up to a 65-mile range. Check out the disc brakes, front and back. This thing stops on a dime. We got big 12-inch inflatable tires. We got lights on and off on the left-hand side there. We also have a blinker and the horn as well. You can see that, the blinkers. And when you hit the brake lights, we got little brake lights that come on in the back as well. So it's nice to have the mud flaps or the fenders on there too. So if you do going off-road or something, it's not going to kick up a bunch of dirt or mud on you. So that's really nice. This thing is super stable. Just power up here on the side, and we can select, there's our brake lights right there if we hit our brakes. But you can select the modes that you want. So first is kind of slower, the gears. Second and then third is like super burly. And then we have eco. The buttons below that, we have eco mode and then dual motor. You can eco and turbo and then dual motor or single motor. So obviously turbo and dual motor, this thing is pretty insane. It'll peel out front and back tires. Here it is at night. As we can see, it is super visible and the headlights are very bright, so you can see, have no problem driving at night. This thing is a lot of fun. It's really quiet as well, responsive, it's fast, it looks cool. I mean, this features it features a 60 volt, 38 amp hour battery, and has two chargers, so you can charge both at the same time for that fast charge. Whether you're going off-road or on-road, this thing has a nice smooth ride. It can go up to a 45-degree climbing angle, so I went up this little hill, rode down it. On-road or off-road, this thing is a blast. We can check out the suspension here, going over rocks, things like that. You can see the ground clearance, got quite a bit of ground clearance as well. So it navigates off-road quite nicely, and plenty of power to get going when you want to, for sure. So this just allows me to go out and explore around my area. Like you can see the suspension on here, it's really good. So going off-road on this trail right here, pretty bumpy ride, but because of the suspension, it's fairly smooth, so no problems at all. I like that I can just take this out and just go exploring, and there's really not a lot of places I can't go with this. You can see the acceleration here. It just takes off in a hurry. And this thing is fast. I think I got it up to like a little over 80 kilometers per hour. So that's, I think, about a little over 50 miles an hour. So it's super fast. You can see you can hop over curbs. Yeah, it's just a lot of fun. So whether you want to use this as your commuter or just to go around and explore, I do recommend a helmet for sure, because this thing it is really burly. It's almost scary fast how fast it can take off. I mean, if you put it on third gear and dual motor and turbo, this thing's pretty insane. As you can see here, I'm flying along. I'm doing about 50, maybe a little more right here. This is not sped up at all. This is actual footage here. This thing, it flies. So I wouldn't recommend going any faster. I mean, it goes plenty fast for sure. Yeah, but it's just a lot of fun, my friends. I really enjoyed the ride. It's super stable too. It doesn't feel like you're gonna fall off or anything. It's just a great scooter here. Okay, friends, this thing folds up just like this. If you want to unfold it, it has this little switch here. Click that. Let's see here. Push that down. I think there we go. And then you just lift this up. This locks into place, so if you want to push this down, you can just pull that and that. And this is on a little spring, so that locks into place. Then we push this down for extra support, and then this little locking quick release. So lots of stuff there. This kickstand, super burly. This thing is a lot of fun to ride. It's very stable. It doesn't have a stabilization bar on there. So I thought it might be getting up at about 50 miles an hour, might be a little sketchy. It's not, it's smooth. Nice shocks, give it some good support. It's got plenty of torque. You got different riding settings here. You can set it for eco or turbo, and dual or single. So if you put on a dual motor, front and back and turbo, this thing gets going in a hurry. It's got a key. We got obviously our dual disc brakes, our little throttle up here. It's super fast. It's a super smooth ride, whether you're on road or off road. This thing is a lot of fun to ride. It looks really cool as well. I mean, yeah, it's very stable and sturdy. I can ride it with one hand. I think this thing will do wheelies. I just wasn't brave enough to try it. You see it peels out with the front wheel. This thing is a blast, whether you're cruising around town or, you know, doing a commute or just enjoying a ride. Let's see, so the range on this is up to 65 miles, which is really nice. Obviously, if you're using, you know, dual motors in turbo mode, third gear all the time, it's going to lessen that a little bit as if you're just putting around in eco mode. But all in all, just a pretty good range here for sure. It is a lot of fun. It's got the inflatable tires, everything, good ground clearance. You jump it off a curb. It's got good suspension. Not hurting my knees or anything when I'm riding this thing. Just thoroughly impressed with it, guys. If you guys are looking for a sweet scooter that'll go just about anywhere you want to ride, this Tifgalop one is really, I recommend it. It's super sturdy. It's fast. It looks cool. I mean, it's got a nice loud horn. It's got the blinkers. It's got all this stuff right here. Just super easy to work with, not too difficult of assembly either. Yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you got any questions, hit me up and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.